So today it is back from jet hitchhiking to normal hitchhiking, which is, kind of exciting, but I'm definitely gonna try it one more time somewhere, at least one more time. But today my plan is to go to the local yacht harbor here in Porto. There are two actually. One is like 8 kilometers from me, the other one is really far. So I don't know if I'm gonna reach both today, but definitely I'm gonna go to the first one. I made some flyers to hang up there that I'm looking for a crewing opportunity on sailboats. I'm gonna talk to as much people as possible there. Looking for boats now. Exciting times. So I will try for a while to hitchhike on the street here because the 8 kilometers are not pleasant to walk. Then I have to walk even more today, around in the harbor, and then after that to go further into the city to get to a hostel again or something like that. A short lift would be really nice. I'm gonna try it for like half an hour. If nothing happens, I have to walk because I don't want to waste all my day here hitchhiking. But yeah, it's gonna be 2 hours of walking probably, so better get a hitchhiking ride. Oh my god, normal hitchhiking is incredible. You get so many opportunities in 1 minute. Like I was waiting 3 days, I think, for maybe like definitely under 10 jets, way under 10. And now it feels like, I can wait here for 1 minute and 10 cars passed me. Oh, so many opportunities, so much fun. So now I got a really, really cool lift by Fatima. Obrigada. And I was just started walking because I was giving it up. I thought no one's gonna stop at the airport. But then suddenly you stopped for me. So thank you so much, and even better, she drove me right to the port where I need to go. So you saved me 2 hours of walking. Thank you so much.
1 hour.
8 kilometers, I think.
Yes.
With my backpack, 2 hours.
Yes. Welcome.
And one question I ask almost everyone I meet on my travels is, how would the world of your dreams look like?
Help persons.
That's a very good answer. Thank you so much, and I wish you a wonderful day.
Welcome.
Wow, such a kind woman. Drove a big detour just for me, and I'm right at the harbor here. Amazing. Couldn't have been a better start to the day. So this is the little flyer I made to hang up on all the marinas, so that people, if I'm gone again, can see it and maybe contact me if they need crew. I had a really great experience at the harbor, and I stayed there a really long time and met tons of people. First I went to the marina office, and the guy there was really friendly, and I was able to hang up my flyer saying, the need crew flyer. And then he even opened for me the pontoons, so I could walk on the pontoons to the boats, and asked all the people there who were there if they need crew and if they're crossing the Atlantic. And some of them didn't need crew, but they knew some people who might need, and they called them or give them my number and just will tell them in the future. And then I met some German sailors who don't need crew, but I talked with them a long time, and I even went out with them to a restaurant for lunch, and we had a great time. And then I met some Swedish guy with a girlfriend from the Philippines, and they offered me that I can sail with them at least to Lisbon, which would be a nice little trip down the coast. So maybe I'm gonna do that, and then in Lisbon there are way more marinas and harbors where I can ask. Really, really successful day. All the people were really friendly there. Now I'm gonna sleep one more night in a hostel to think about it. Good morning from beautiful Porto. I got some great news. Yesterday the German guy hinted me that maybe I should think twice to go with the Swedish people that offered me to take me to Lisbon because they don't have a life raft with them, which I didn't ask for, because for me that's like a no-brainer to have a life raft with you. But in the evening the French boat called back, which the other French person was talking on her mailbox and gave her my number, and then she called back. But she's already further south down the coast, and she's planning to sail to the Canary Islands. And I had a call with her, and she would like to take me. So now I have to hitchhike down the coast to meet up with her in Figueira de Foz, which is about 150 kilometers away from here. So I'm trying to hitchhike there today to meet up with this boat. There are 2 people on the boat right now. So it's a small 9-meter boat and I'm really excited, and on the telephone it all sounded really good. So today my mission is to get there, but it's going to be difficult because I have to walk through the whole of Porto to get to a halfway decent hitchhiking spot. I'm completely on the wrong side right now, and then I need to hitchhike there, and we know that in Portugal hitchhiking is not so easy, so we will see how this day goes. And if everything goes right, I will have a lift to the Canary Islands, which is the starting point to cross the Atlantic. So that's really, really good news for me and the project. Almost no cars over there. I'm gonna go to a different spot that might have more cars. So now I got a lift by Gabriela.
Hi.
Thank you so much. And it was really funny because I figured out that she is a skipper and she works in the other marina in Porto, which I wanted to visit today if I hadn't had the opportunity. So I would have met her either in the car with hitchhiking or in the marina probably.
Yes, probably.
So, yeah. So if that isn't funny, I don't know. So I wish you all the best, and hopefully you have your own sailboat one day.
Best. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe meet you on the sea one day.
Yes.
Who knows? So that was just like 10 kilometers further south of Porto, but there's a beautiful beach and a town here. So I managed to walk to the highway. Only got 2.5 hours of sunlight left. Incredible how long everything takes sometimes and how short the days are, but now I'm at the highway, so everything is possible still. Once again, waiting over 1 hour. Hitchhiking in Portugal can be really, really frustrating. Ahora yo encuentro Z. Sí. Nosotros ir con su camión a un servicio cerca de Aveiro, y ahora yo puedo ir con un coche acaso a Figueira de Foz. Vamos a ver. Right, so now I'm at a rest station with a gas station. It's about 60 kilometers or something to Figueira de Foz, where I need to go. So it's dark, but I'm gonna try to ask some people here if they take me. Maybe it works, maybe not. So now I met William. Thank you so much. He brought me all the way to Figueira de Foz, right at the harbor, and he drove a detour for that, so obrigada. I made it to the marina. Now I have to call Flo. Flo is her name of the skipper, and I'm really lucky that I got here with the darkness and everything. I mean, I hitchhiked that truck when the sun was almost set, and yeah, I got really lucky with this guy. So I made it to the boat, and let me introduce you to Flo, the skipper of
Maloya.
Maloya. Very nice name. And you are from La Réunion?
L'île de la Réunion.
Yeah. Which is a French island in the Indian Ocean. I've never met someone from that island before, so really nice. Okay. I'm glad to be here, and funny how we made this work and how we met. So I hope we can have some great sailing together.
Yeah, I hope so.
And another crew member, Samuel, okay. And we're gonna sail tomorrow probably to Nazaré, and yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna show you the boat and everything, and yeah, really nice to meet you guys. Look at that, there are chickens in the park, what the fuck. wild chickens in the park. Didn't expect that here in the city park in Porto.